Hey everyone, Thomas here from ActionSportGames with a quick assemble video of our new Ultimate EVO CNC Performance Hop-up for the EVO AEG and HPA family. As you know, the fully licensed Scorpion EVO has been one of the best AEGs out of box for quite some years now, and since its initial release we have been improving it with various updates to guarantee an outstanding performance, like with the 2018 gearbox and the 2020 ECU update. Now the EVO is a beast out of box, but that's not to say there isn't a little room for adjustments. Dedicated EVO owners have been asking for a better hop-up solution, and well, we're finally proud to present our Ultimate EVO CNC Performance Hop-up. Our team of engineers and technicians have been working hard for the greater part of a year to deliver what we will call the Ultimate Pro Shooter upgrade for the EVO. This one-piece aircraft aluminum hop-up is sold separately and will require little tinkering, but the CNC hop-up supports any type of AEG bucking, barrel, and BB weight, so it should cover your specific EVO build. Now let's get started with how to assemble the unit and what the washers or shims are used for. After we install the bucking, the barrel, and C-clip, we start with the assembly of the chamber. You start by placing the top rubber at the top. Once you got it in place, you take the pusher with the spring attached and place it above the top rubber. The contour of the pusher is designed so you can only fit it in one specific way. Press the pusher down and keep some tension. Install the adjustment dial and setting the dial to equivalent of 0. If you look inside the chamber, you should see a little nub from the bucking peeking inside. You then install the support shaft. There's a flat side with a hole in it. That should face towards you. Tighten the screw to keep everything in place. With the adjustment dial and the pusher being flush with the top of the chamber and the dial set to 0, you should see a small nub from the bucking protruding ever so slightly inside. This is your starting point when you're going to shim the unit. At the bottom of the adjustment dial there's a gap. This is where you fit your shimming or washers. The shimmings or washers are what you use to calibrate or fine-tune the CNC hop-up to fit your specific AEG bucking and BB weight. The white ones are 1mm, red is 0.1, blue is 0.2, and yellow is 0.5mm. In this case, 1mm is enough to fill the gap. Loosen the screw and remove the support shaft and adjustment dial. Now we place 1mm shimming or washers and then the adjustment dial, remembering to keep it flush with the chamber and set to 0. 2mm of shimmings or washers in total are required to be installed for the CNC hop-up to work. In this case, 1mm washer at the bottom would mean I would need to install 1mm at the top to reach a total of 2mm. If it was 0.5 at the bottom, I would need 1.5 shimmings or washers at the top. This is how you fine-tune the CNC hop-up to your specific EVO build. Now install the support shaft again like you did before and tighten the screw. Make sure the nub inside from the bucking is moving inside. We've added some graphics on the top of the dial to better show you your hop-up setting. The dial is tight and keeps its position. That gives you a really fine-tuning options right at your fingertip. A nice feature for the EVO CNC hop-up is if you overturn it, the dial will reset. Adjust the front screw to obtain airtight fit between the hop-up rubber and gearbox nozzle. Essentially, you're adjusting the position of the hop-up chamber inside to get that perfect airtight fit. Alright, so there you have it guys, a quick video on how to assemble the Ultimate EVO CNC Hop-up. Be sure to visit ActionSportGames.com for more information or talk to your local ASG premium retailer. Just look for the sign. Stay safe.